When using any of the native DELMIA machining apps from the 3D Experience platform, there are a couple settings we typically like to change to have a better experience when using them. These settings can be accessed by going up to your profile picture in the top right, then going to Preferences. And this will launch the preferences for our native apps installed on our machine. The first thing I like to change is the actual profile that the native app is using. By default, this is going to be using 3D Experience profile, meaning my pan, zoom, and rotate are going to mimic what's on the 3D Experience platform, but I'm more familiar with SolidWorks, so I switched to that. Then, the rest of the settings are going to be under my app preferences. In here, we're going to go to Simulation, Machining, and we're going to look at the NC Machining app's common preferences. The first one we're looking at in here is under the Resources tab. When I expand this out, I can scroll through and see all of the settings for my resources in the DELMIA CAM apps. I'll go ahead and select Allow Selection of Simple Tools in the activity. This just makes it easier for any of the tools that I create to be used in my programs without having to have a full assembly of tool plus holder. I'll collapse my Resources tab and we're going to go to Operation. In the Operations section, down to Display, we're going to want to turn on Display Toolpath for all operations. This just means that all of the toolpaths that we have for all of our operations are going to be displayed and can be selected. I'll go ahead and close my Operations tab and go all the way down to Simulation. In my Simulation tab, under Integrated Material Removal, we'll enable the material removal computation while we're running a machine simulation. This is just going to allow us more control over the steps taken in our simulation to get to our final output. The last setting I want to change is going to be in the Output section, and this will be the Post-Processor folder. I'm going to change this to iCam Foundation, and this is just a free post-processor technology that's included that's going to help us generate our post-processors when we're done. With this set, I can apply these settings, close out of this dialog box, and now I'm set to start creating programs using my DELMIA programming apps.